Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing a clean workspace and securing the AirPod so it doesn't slip. Once done, disconnect audio to avoid accidental input and pat the part dry. Next, pinch the silicone ear tip at its base and pull straight away from the stem. Do not twist violently because the retention ring sits in a groove. You'll feel a small pop as the tip releases. This steady pull prevents tearing and keeps the inner mesh intact for proper sound sealing and mic performance. Now inspect the nozzle and mesh for lint or wax. Clear with a soft brush if needed because debris ruins the acoustic seal. Once clean, align the replacement ear tip's oval opening with the stem's nozzle and push straight on until you hear or feel a click. That click indicates the retention ring engaged. After attaching, give a gentle tug to confirm it's secure. Then play a short audio sample to confirm a proper seal and balanced sound. If bass is thin, reseat the tip and try again. Finish by confirming fit and comfort during normal movements. Walk around and test calls or media. If you notice intermittent audio or poor bass, reconnect Bluetooth and repeat the seating step to ensure the ring is fully engaged. If a tip still won't seat, examine it for a torn retention ring or check the nozzle for trapped debris. Replace the tip if damaged. One key troubleshooting tip: if sound remains inconsistent, try a different size tip. Improper size is off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.